Hi everyone, I'm Denise and welcome to my dressing room. Today I have a couple of items for a Coach unboxing, and no, it's not the Square Times Tabby or the Empire bag. For me personally, I do not like either bag. I think the Coach Empire bag is more of a luggage tote, and if you don't put any charms on it, it just, I don't know, it does nothing for me. And I believe in Canada it's close to $1,000 for that bag. And I have seen it, I have touched it, I have felt it. It's a hard no for me. And the New York Square Times Tabby, I was actually really looking forward to that bag, and no. I actually seen that one in person. They had the, I believe they had the chalk one left and the green. They were sold out of the burgundy Merlot. And the smallest one, I think it's 17, that was 450 Canadian. And I just, again, it had that divider in the middle that I think a bag that small, it doesn't need that divider. So I know I've seen boxing and unboxing, and they are quality made. I'll give them that, but just for me, they're just they're not my style. The only thing I would possibly like about the Times Square Tabby is if they came out in a denim, because then I could see the details on it on the front with how it's with the, I don't even know how to describe it, with the way it's designed in the front, you know, with the squares and everything. I think a denim would look really nice in that bag, but again, with that divider in the middle, no. So what I have today is some shoes that I've got at the end of summer sale, which was more than half price off. So the first pair here I got are these metallic gold slip-ons. So these are the square toe heels, which I really like. And the heel is not really that high, and it has the C at the back. I can see myself wearing these actually this New Year's, this Christmas, because of the color. So let's try them on. I'm always leery about buying shoes online because, you know, you never know, but I'm a size 37 and these actually fit really nice. So, and they have a padded heel. I don't know if you can see all the way back there, but they have it with the padding, so it is really quite comfortable. So that was my first sale. Oops, and it just fell out of my hand. Okay, the second pair that I got for end of summer sale, which was, oh my gosh, I think these ones were 60% off. But the shoes that I have, these platform wedges, I go through them quite a bit. I've been wearing these for 20 plus years, this style, and I really wanted to get the white and the black, but they only had the black available in my size. So how gorgeous is that? So these type of heels I really love. Platforms, I should say, because they're always comfortable. To me, they're always in style no matter what you wear. You can wear it like this, with this outfit. And, oh, I just kicked my purse over. Oh my gosh. It's one of those days, guys. You ever those days when you film and just like everything goes wrong? Well, that's me today. So yes, these platform heels, trying them on for the first time, and they are so comfortable. So, and these are both I should say they're both leather. I'm pretty sure these are all sold out online, so I'm not even gonna send a link, because if the white pair were sold out, they said online that I got the last 7, size 37, but you know what? You never know with Coach. They're always like, oh, it's limited edition, we're sold out, you know, and then 2 weeks later, they're all back in stock. So I never believe that. And especially when they said that the Coach Tabby was sold out. When I went down to my local boutique, they had so many of them. They were just sold out of the Merlot in the small size. They had the Merlot in the larger size, but not the small one. Okay, my last item from Coach is this city tote bag, and it came with this green pouch, which is kind of cool, with the leather tabs. Does it have a pocket inside? No, it's just a pouch. It has a story there. But I really like the contrast, especially how it has the white strap, and then hang on, there we go. With this beautiful, beautiful pink and the dark brown, and then with the chalk for the pouch, and then for the tag there. And I'm just trying to think of what charm I would put on there, but I'm not too sure. This one, oh, I should show you the inside, guys. This is like a multicolored tote. So the inside is this gorgeous, gorgeous purple. And oh yeah, the city totes don't have pockets inside. So when I use this, I basically got this one for travel, and also, you know, for around town, but basically for travel. I do like the city totes. I think this is my second one. So hang on a second here. So this is how it looks on me, my shoulder, and I'm pretty sure the city tote, it's very, very similar to the Neverfull. Let's just do a quick measurement here. So approximately 18 for the width, and then no more, and then my daughter will say stop saying and then 11 inches lengthwise, and oh, let's go with almost 6 inches for the bottom. Oh my gosh, I've lost all my words now, guys. So yeah, those are my end of summer Coach finds on online, and just I don't know if they still have the sale. I mean, I got these a couple weeks ago, but yeah, that's what I like about Coach. If you wait for a sale, you will get it. Okay, everybody, thanks for watching. You guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Oh, and if you like this video, please subscribe and please like and consider subscribing. That would be awesome. I'm trying to get to 500 followers, so yes, that would help me out a lot. Okay, guys, bye-bye.